Hi, in this session we will see what is the course takeaway. As per me, the key takeaway from the course is the confidence. Confidence to build the MERN stack applications. That's what I have written. Confidence to build the web apps is the first key takeaway. So once you complete this course, you will feel confident. Yeah, I can develop this. And that is very important in this case, in the case of any learning. So you'll get that confidence in ample, I can guarantee you. Okay, then guidelines on developing web apps. So as a beginner, whenever you start learning something, you don't have a proper guideline. What to do after this, what to do after this, how to implement the things. All that things you will get through this course. So this course will give you a crystal clear guideline. Do this, then do this, then do this, then do this, then do this. Right? So you can follow these things in your actual MERN stack application development, which will help you a lot. Then industry based practices. What is the third key takeaway? Industry based practices. You will see and you will implement how exactly industry works, how they debug, right? What are the caching mechanisms? What is the efficiency? What is the security? How to make applications scalable? You will get that thought process. And throughout the course, these things would be getting developed in you. And at the end of the course, you will become expert in all of these things. So developing college level project and developing industry level project is having a lot of difference. So here we will do everything in the perspective of the industry based practices. Then the roadmap. So when you talk about the roadmap, all the essential technologies you required, all the essential tools, all required utilities we are going to cover in this, which will show you a clear road for becoming a full stack MERN stack engineer, right? So if you follow the modules inside the course, if you follow the technologies inside the course, I guarantee you become a very good full stack engineer. A clear road is given to you. Then what is the fifth key takeaway? Project for showcasing on the resume. So whenever you go to the market, remember that you don't have anything to present to the interviewer. Just appearing for interview and showing your skill in the terms of work makes a lot of difference. So in this course, we are going to develop one real-time application. And that application, you can write it on your resume. I have implemented this project. Okay, in addition to that, sixth key takeaway is you will create your own Git repository regularly. You will push the code into the Git repository. So what will happen? You can showcase that, okay, you can see I have worked from last these many months and here are the Git commits, right? So you can showcase your project, you can showcase your code to the interviewer immediately. See, this is my working application and this is the code. So you will get your own Git repository at the end of the course. Own notebook. The way I have maintained the Notion notebook, you can also maintain your own notebook. You can maintain the physical notebook also, or you can use Notion or Google Drive or something else. That's your choice. But it is recommended, it is mandatory to maintain the notebook. So at the end of the course, you will get one notebook. Case studies. On each and every important concept, I have given the case studies. For example, create the database. for university registration course. One thing I have covered. So what will happen? You will get a real-time sense of that concept. So when you say normalization, normalize this database for the university. So you'll get a real-time case study. So at the end of the course, you will get a lot of case studies on important concepts of these courses. Right? Then interview questions. Time to time, I have asked you the interview questions. So I have said something like this. Very important question for the interviews. Even we have a separate page in this repository, in this Notion notebook for interview type questions. So over there we will accumulate all the questions and we'll try to answer them. So these 9 are the key takeaways from the course. But as far as my knowledge is concerned, confidence is very important over here. So let's revise. Confidence to build web apps, guidelines on developing web application, industry-based practices, roadmap for MERN stack engineer, project for showcasing, your own Git repository, own notebook, case studies on important concept, and the interview questions. These are 9 key takeaways from this course. Thank you.